Let us now continue our learning journey on updating and expanding your skills section. Well, skills aren't just a list, they should reflect your real strengths. So let's categorize them with ChatGPT's help. This is, again, let's continue with the ChatGPT. As a marketing manager, the key skills that I have are, or let's change it to something else. What are the key skills? What are the skills that a marketing manager should have? So here we have a list of skills that I, as a marketing manager, should be having. Strategic planning, leadership and team development, analytical skills, digital marketing expertise, content creation, customer-centric mindset, budget management, communication skills, project management. And I'm sure out of these 10-12 skills that ChatGPT comes up with, you'll find yourself comfortable with 8 to 10 of these if you are a marketing manager. So awesome. What are some of the emerging skills a marketing manager should have? So why the emerging skills? Is because if you're looking for a job, or if you're looking for a new opportunity, a new client or a new business, you should be good with these emerging skills as well, along with the usual skills that you have or you should have as a marketing manager. So we asked ChatGPT about the emerging skills: data science, artificial intelligence, digital experience management, video search optimization, voice search, and so on. Now, from this list of emerging skills and from the generic skills that we have, we asked ChatGPT to give me a list of 10-12 skills that I can use on my LinkedIn. So this could be from my own side. So I can figure out 15 from the generic and 12 from the new ones. I can choose 10, 12 of those that I am comfortable with and I think that I am skilled at. Or let me ask ChatGPT if it can help me figure out which ones can I be adding. Now I need to make sure that if I add that as my skill, I should be having that skill. So that goes without saying. So here are some of the 7 of the generic skills and a few emerging skills that I can highlight or I should be highlighting on my LinkedIn profile. That's what it says. Integrating these skills into your LinkedIn profile. In the skills section, directly add these skills to the LinkedIn skill set where peers can endorse you, enhancing your profile's credibility. In your summary and experience, weave these skills into the narrative of your summary and job description. For example, talk about a campaign where you leverage AI to double engagement rates and so on. Recommendations: encourage colleagues to mention specific skills in their recommendations and so on. So listing your skills on LinkedIn is really important, because if you are using LinkedIn for whatever professional purposes you are, be it for getting hired or be it for hiring somebody or for a new client that you're looking for or a new business opportunity that you're looking for or looking to build a personal brand, you will be having certain skill sets, and highlighting those in your LinkedIn profile is of paramount importance. And that's how ChatGPT helps you in listing out those skills that you should be adding so that you get the required attention that you expect on LinkedIn.